Hi everybody! As I mentioned, I'm gonna show you one more recommended recipe for this summer. You can keep it in the fridge for a couple of days. So, here we go! The condiments are sake, soy sauce, sugar, sesame oil, the Korean chili paste, gochujang, black pepper, white sesame, ginger, and garlic. Glass noodle, minced pork and beef mix, bell pepper, and spinach-like green vegetables. First of all, put all the meat in a bowl. Sake, sugar, the Korean chili paste, soy sauce, and black pepper. Mix all together with the chopsticks. Then, prepare for the glass noodle. Just boil it for 1.5 minutes. Now, put the sesame oil in a Chinese pan, finely cut ginger, and the garlic. Nicely stir fry, and white sesame. Then slice the bell pepper, spinach-like green vegetables, then the leaves. When it's nicely cooked, take it out and use in the same pan to cook the meat mix. Add glass noodles. When everything is nicely ready, add all the fried vegetables. Nicely mix all together. That's it. Let's dish up. I hope you'll enjoy this recipe with these yummy vegetables. As you can see, you can put it in a container and put it in the fridge. You can keep it for about 3 days. And if it gets too cold, you can put it in the microwave to warm it up, and then you can enjoy it at any time. So I hope you'll enjoy this summer. Thank you for watching. See you!